Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to embed the Google Map inside your React.js application so that you can see this is a full screen Google Map here and you can navigate around it. Just see, also zoom in also with the default controls if you want to zoom in on a particular location. So this is using a React.js application and we are using a Node.js dependency to interact with Google Cloud Maps API to just show this Google map on your website. So this is a full screen map here. You can navigate to any country in the world here with precise location. You can zoom in, you can also zoom out as well. And there is also a full screen also mode here. If you click it, toggle it full screen, this will be a full screen map here. So basically you can be going into any, just also clicking it also will go in like this. You can also switch to satellite mode as well. You can see this will be converted to satellite. So a very good map is there. So if you want to see this inside your website also, I will be guiding you step by step on how to implement this map, Google Maps, and display it inside your React.js application. So I have given the link in the video description. If you want it, go to the video description link here. This is my blog post link here. Let me just show you. This is a blog post. I have given the link in the video description. So just go to it. This is a blog post link. All the source code is also given here. So let me just start by starting this video. So this is a dependency, guys, which is @react dash google dash maps slash API. So first of all, I will stop this server and I will start from scratch. So I will cd from this directory. I will make a new directory which is Google Maps project. I will go to its directory Google Maps project. And in order to download or create a new project in React, we will use create React app, npx create React app, and then followed by the name of the project, which is Google Maps. So now it will hardly take at most 40 seconds and it will create your React app here. So it is just creating it. So let me just wait here. So I will not pause the video. You should be watching the complete video to get the idea of how to implement this inside your React.js application. So this totally depends upon your internet speed. So this is a great app here. You can just navigate to any country in the world here. So for this, I have already told you we are using Google Cloud Map API. So you should be having a valid Google Cloud account here. So Google Cloud Console, just Google it, and the very first result which comes in, just create an account. And for this, you need to link your credit card information and also debit card. Inside billing section, you need to add this information. After adding it, so you will see I have multiple build accounts. After that, you need to go to the API section, go to library, and you need to enable the API, which is Google Maps. Just search it. And this is the API I need to enable, which is Maps JavaScript API. So this is the API. So just enable it. I've already enabled it. Go to manage and then you need to get your API key. So go to credentials and you will see your API key. You can also create a brand new API key also by selecting this. We can simply copy our API key. So this will be different for you. So don't use my API key. And now let me just see if the project is completed. So now it is see it is successfully completed. So we need to cd into this project directory and then we can open inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So this is a brand new React.js application. You will see this is source here. If I run this, you will see npm start. So it will start it at my local host 5000, I think 3000. So this is a brand new React.js app here. You can see this is our app. It is currently at localhost 3000. So now what we want, we need to stop this app and we need to install this dependency, which is @react dash Google dash Maps API. So hardly it will take 5 to 10 seconds. So it is saying, let me just see. Let me copy this and paste it. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds. So after installation, you need to just copy paste the code here. You will see it is done that. Now we can start the application once again, npm start. So now if you see here, guys, this is the app.js file here. If you see, so this is app.js. We simply need to go to my video description link. I have given the full source code here. Simply, this is the simplest of example here. Simply copy all this code here like this. And simply you need to paste it. That's it. So now inside this section, Google Maps API key, you need to copy paste your own API key. Let me paste it here. So at the end of the video, I will delete this API key. So don't use my API key, just create your own API key and use it. So now you will see it will once again refresh it. If I enter it, now you will see it will display the map here. You will see. So you will see now this is a map here. You can also zoom in here. These are the default controls out there. You can also get images as well of different kind of countries as well. So in this simple way, you can just see this is a map here. And the most interesting thing, you can also resize, just give it a custom width and height. So let me, if I wanted to, I can change the width to 500 and also the height to 500. So now you will see the width will be changing. So now it will only be there of this size. So you can provide the custom width and height depending upon how you want to style it in React.js. So you will see. The next property is that you can also provide zoom level as well. So currently this is 10. You can change this to, let's suppose, 30. So once again, if you do this, so the zoom level will be changed here. You will see now it is currently more zoomed out there. And also you can provide the center position as well by providing latitude and longitude. So you can change these latitude and longitude of a different country to center it. So if I just search for latitude, India, latitude and longitude, so it will provide me with these coordinates. So I can just copy these and the longitude, it's this one. So I can just paste it. So now once I load the Google map, you will see it will center it around India. So you will see. Similarly, I can change this for any country of your choice. You can change this to New Zealand. And latitude. So let me just refresh it. So you can see it is rounded here only. New Zealand, you can see. So in this way, guys, you can just build your own Google Map embed it inside your React.js application. The link will be there inside video description to get all the source code. I will be seeing you in the next video.